Hi everybody, it's Sharon from Vivid Days. Thank you for spending your time with me. I'm going to be making a coaster set for a friend. Excuse my mould. I will clean it up, I promise. It's clean on the inside. Anyway, I'm digressing. I'm going to make some coasters for a gift. I've got some silver foil that's going in there. I've got 450ml of heat resistant resin. I've got the Colour Cottage Super Sparkle White in there already. And then their favourite colours are blues and greens. So I'm going to see if I'm going to do a nice transition between these colours into some coasters and maybe have silver edging. Anyway, that's the plan. But I am going to now put my music on and immerse myself into this process, and let's come in at the end to see what it looks like. All right then, bye. Hi, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. Today we are coming in to review these pieces. Now these are for a gift for somebody and they really like their colours, blues and greens. So in this light you can't really see the green towards the outer edge and the blue, but in certain lights or as the sun captures it, you can definitely see those tones in there. And to me it looks like a slice of ice that you've captured, which is very fitting for this time of year. We're just starting to experience ice on trees and grounds and everything. Anyway, I'm Sharon, I'm digressing. Pretty similar to how I've done my coasters before, so if you want more of a step-by-step instruction, you might, sorry my torch in the way, trying to trigger the Super Sparkle White from the Colour Cottage. Oh, there you got to see a little bit there as it goes past, and I'll bring you in and I'll show you close up with some of them. But I'm still using my little turntable. I'm sure you're going slightly dizzy as it's going round and round, but it's a perfect way to demonstrate or to help create with your videos. Anyway, Sharon, which one are we going to pick up? I don't think it matters really, does it? So let's just go with this one here. Oopsie. Let's just go with this one here. So I did come back and domed the top, so that's nice. I edged with the silver leaf, but this time I didn't put the glitter on top because of the person these are for, but I have put a protective coat around there to protect that silver foil. I can't speak. You can see a little bit of those tones. I wonder if I hold it up in the daylight, see some of the tones, but not a great deal. But anyway, thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. Remember to visit my Facebook group and join if you want to showcase your creative outlets in any type. And also visit my Etsy store. There might be some treasures that you want to purchase. And if you've got any requests, let me know and I'll have a look at creating them for you. If you've always been curious about a colour or something, I can give it a go for you. But thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope that 2021 brings you all your heart desires, as well as health, happiness, and hopefully lots of time to create. Now let's see if I can get this on the come. Oh, look at that. I'm getting professional now, aren't I? Oh no, nearly lost it. There we go. I do make it hard for myself sometimes. Come back and visit again soon. Thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you for all your support. Bye bye.